Here I have VIVAX Point X503, and today I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, you have to open your browser. Next you have to tap here, go to the history, then tap clear browsing data. Next you have to select the time range for which you want to delete your history. It could be last hour, last day, last week, last month, or all time. And then you have to select data formats which you want to delete. It could be browsing history, cookies and site data, cached images and files, and then just tap clear data. And history will be cleared. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.